Deceiver and the deceived. Deceptions and lying are a form of communication that involves mutual parties. There are those that are acting as the deceiver, imparting the false information, generally with a hidden agenda, and those receiving that information as factual, which is really a lie being processed into a distorted belief by those that are being deceived. Generally, in these complex deceptions, there are power imbalances where a supposed authority that has more power or money is carrying out the deception in order to have a strategic advantage over those that they are deceiving. The deceiver intends to communicate false impressions or disinformation to those perceived as gullible, naive, or vulnerable. So they will base their future actions or decisions on it. It is important to understand that the spreading of deceptions and lies involves both sides of the deceiver and deceived. Both must participate in the lie in order to bring it into manifestation. The controllers require the deceived to hand over their consent to the lies in order to continue to perpetrate their fraud against the public, committing mass deceptions and directing mind control programming. For those of us that have been deceived and manipulated by many liars, it becomes critical to awaken and comprehend our personal role in promoting the lies any further, and to make a concerted effort to elevate our behavior, whether it was through our ignorance of that fact when it was revealed to be a lie, or through emotionally reacting to that information with ego defense mechanisms like confirmation bias or learned helplessness. We choose consciously to do our best to avoid lying and spreading misinformation in the future. All of us have been lied to and deceived in this upside-down world in order to be exploited for consciousness slavery by human and non-human controllers. When we are able to recognize and acknowledge that this has happened to all of us on the earth, and that it is happening right now, it is a major stage of spiritual awakening and ultimately what is needed to reach critical mass in disclosure. In order to reach critical mass, we also must recognize and accept our participation in the grand deception and lies, known or unknown to us. Recognizing we have believed the disinformation we have been told by those around us, and that we have lived upon a planet in a war over consciousness that was intentionally hidden from us, which involved calculated exploitation and covert technological mind control.